guys, it is Vintage Horse here, and today we're doing a challenge called, we made this up, Jay came up with the name right here, it's called What's in My Cup, and so we got 12 drinks right here, and we got some chocolate milk, Red Hots,
Not sponsored by anything.
no, we got some Caramel Delight, cranberry juice, Nick, what do you think?
Sweet tea.
Some,
juice.
yes,
Extra whippy. Extra creamy. And
orange juice, I don't even see this, Mountain Dew, Pepsi, some Orange Crush.
And also, this is what we have to do. We have to be blindfolded, because now it's going to be really fun. And we have to pick it, alright? And we're going to do it, and whoever goes into the garbages, lose. Whoever stays, wins.
Alright, so, I'm gonna be the first one to go.
Alright, you gotta do this quick.
Got a blindfold.
Hot.
It's like 90 degrees outside, so we gotta do this quick.
There.
Alright, I gotta
Spin around.
Spin around.
What? You gotta make sure you're busy. Stop. Alright, stand up and choose.
Alright. This one? I'm gonna get 6.
Yeah.
This one? Oh, shoot.
You got the better stuff.
This one? What is this?
You don't want to know. There's nothing there. Nick!
Well, we'll clean that mess up later. What is this? That's 4 stuff, right? It's 4, right?
Damn it.
Oh, shoot.
5.
Last one.
You got
No, I don't want it. No.
Okay, this is what I got. This is what you got.
I got chocolate milk, pure tea. I got tea, cranberry juice.
Go get some napkins and clean this up.
I got cranberry juice, hot sauce, crushed soda, whipped cream, and chocolate milk.
He's got kind of a good thing going. I've got Mountain Dew, Pepsi, lemon juice, orange juice, creamer, and milk.
Caramel creamer. Hang on.
Caramel creamer.
Switch this table forward a bit.
Good stuff.
She probably done this before we started the video, but.
Yeah, we need to clean this up.
Alright, yeah. Alright.
Man, this is soft.
Alright, so. Make it.
Alright, get that. A little bit of everything. You're just gonna suck because you have Mountain Dew. That's gonna make your milk. Your milk is
No, you have Mountain Dew. I have Crush.
Right. This is gonna suck.
I'm gonna add some hot. Oh my gosh! That got everywhere. Then we're gonna need a hot sauce.
Oh, that made my milk chunky.
We're gonna need to clean up an aisle 5, please.
Clean up a 905. Let's go to the top.
Time to add some cranberry juice.
Oh, this is gonna be so sour. Oh, I can't get it open.
Really, you're gonna be sour?
Sorry, guys, this is my hand's so slippery. I can't get it open. Can you get it open?
Yeah.
My hand's so slippery.
Charlie, you're not getting it. There we go. I got it.
It's all slippery because we're just playing stuff.
Oh, that tastes like lemon juice. Why did I put it in?
Oh, you're screwed. Oh, it's so chunky.
I'm not gonna put a whole can of this in.
Mine is so chunky.
Alright, just add the crush in. Now I got
I'm adding
some.
a lot of creamer to make it taste better.
No, whipped cream.
No, creamer.
Cream or whatever.
Mine's
Oh,
still
some tea.
You have to add it to the top. No, you have to add more liquid too. Oh my god, what are
Let's top it off with some
I get some whipped cream.
Orange Crush.
Top it off. Everyone has to top it off.
Orange Crush. Shoot, I'm gonna whipped cream. And wait. Oh, well, let's make too much. Get some hot sauce.
Yeah, top it off. Top a little bit of Mountain Dew.
Alright. Wait, hang on. take one last victory sip. Alright. Hey guys, I'd just like to say before I end the video that I'd like to give a shout out to Jake, who helped me make this video, and his brother Nick. Jake, he has a YouTube channel called Stan the Man, and it'd be great if you can go check it out. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can go check out his channel. He has 2 videos uploaded, and it'd be great if you could just help his channel out and to watch it grow. It'd be amazing. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.